What's up everyone? If you're looking to find out how you can change your name in Google Meet, here's how you can do it. Well, it's not a direct process. Instead, we have to go a little detour in order to get our name changed in Google Meet. Let's get started. So just launch your browser like so and enter the Google Meet link. Press enter. Alright, if you're joining without signing into your Google Meet, then you can put your name right here, my name, for a simple name, and just click on ask to join. Now once they've confirmed that they want you are in the meeting with your preferred name. But this is for when you are not signed into your Google account. But if you're signed into your Google account, the thing is, you cannot do so for Meet only. You have to change a name for all the Google products. For example, YouTube, Gmail, like whatever Google products you use or with that Google account, it will be set for all of them. And to do that, just go to your Google account, sign into your account. Next, now you're signed in, just go in here. Now manage your Google account. After that, go to personal info on the left sidebar. From here there is a name. So let's see how we can do it exactly. So just click on this pencil icon, guys. So here you can change the name. Let's say I want to do Resicar. Alright, and then save. And that's it. Your name will be updated in the Google Meet too. Let's give it a try. Ask to join. Once they've confirmed, and there you have it, your new name. That's how you change your name in Google Meet, guys. If you still have any confusion or problems regarding changing a name in Google Meet, do leave them in the comment section. We are always here to help. Until next time, bye-bye.